Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to buy games on Steam. So basically what you'll have to do is simply go on and look for the game that you want to buy and then simply click on it, and after that you're gonna get redirected to their page, and basically here you can see the reviews, you can see what's the game about, so you can see the game trailer, photos, and if you scroll down you can see here the price, so you can see it's 20 euros. And if you want, you can scroll down here and see all the system requirements before buying the game, so you can learn and see if it's compatible with your computer or not. So after that you simply click on add to cart, and then you'll have to simply choose purchase for myself, and after that you'll have to simply choose the payment methods. As you can see, you have PayPal, WebMoney, PaySafeCard, Visa, MasterCard, JCB, and Skrill. So you'll have to simply choose one of these, and let's say you want to pay with your Visa card. Here you'll have to simply enter the card number, and then here enter the expiration date, the security number, and then here your first, last name, city, zip or postal code, your address, your country, and phone number. And after that, if you want, you can save this for later purchases, and then simply click on continue, and then you'll be able to buy the game off Steam, and then you can simply install it and play it on your computer. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.